Understanding the Limited Liability Partnership Act in India. Welcome to our video on the Limited Liability Partnership Act in India. In this informative video, we will explore the definition, features, characteristics, and various aspects related to limited liability partnerships, LLPs. We will discuss the role of designated partners, liabilities of partners, incorporation and registration process, as well as the cessation of partnership in an LLP in India. Join us to gain a comprehensive understanding of this important legal framework that enables businesses to thrive. The Limited Liability Partnership Act, also known as the LLP Act, is a legal framework that governs the establishment and operation of limited liability partnerships in India. It provides a separate legal identity to partnerships, combining the advantages of both partnerships and companies. LLPs have several unique features that distinguish them from other forms of business entities. Firstly, LLPs offer limited liability to their partners, protecting their personal assets from business debts and liabilities. Secondly, they have perpetual succession, meaning that the LLP can continue to exist even if one or more partners leave. Lastly, LLPs are flexible in terms of management structure and decision-making processes, providing partners with the freedom to define their roles and responsibilities as per their agreement. Limited liability partnerships in India exhibit specific characteristics that define their nature and operations. Firstly, LLPs must have at least 2 partners, and there is no maximum limit. Each partner's contribution can be tangible, intangible, or both, such as money, property, skills, expertise, or labor. Furthermore, LLPs have a separate legal existence, which means that they can own assets, enter into contracts, and sue or be sued in their own name. In an LLP, a designated partner holds significant responsibilities and powers. Every LLP must have at least 2 designated partners, out of which at least one must be a resident of India. Designated partners are responsible for compliance with legal provisions, filing necessary documents, and ensuring the accuracy of the information provided during registration and annual filings. They are the primary point of contact for legal proceedings and communication with regulatory authorities. While LLPs offer limited liability to their partners, it's crucial to understand the extent of such liabilities. Partners in LLPs are only liable to the extent of their agreed contribution, as specified in the LLP agreement. Consequently, partners are not personally liable for the debts, obligations, or acts of other partners. Their personal assets remain protected unless specific fraudulent or unlawful activities are proven against them. Incorporation. Establishing an LLP in India involves a straightforward incorporation process. The first step is to select a suitable name for the LLP, ensuring compliance with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs naming guidelines. Next, partners need to prepare the required documents, including the LLP agreement, consent letters, and address proof. These documents are then submitted online through the government's registration portal. Once approved, a certificate of incorporation is issued, officially recognizing the LLP's existence. Registration is a crucial step in forming an LLP in India. Partners must complete the registration process within specified timelines to ensure compliance with legal requirements. These involve submitting necessary documents, paying the fees, and providing accurate information about the partners, including their addresses, identification details, and capital contribution. Ensures that the LLP receives legal recognition and is entitled to enjoy the benefits and protection under the LLP Act. Cessation of partnership refers to the termination or dissolution of an LLP. This may occur due to multiple reasons, such as completion of the partnership term, the occurrence of an event specified in the LLP agreement, mutual consent, or bankruptcy. When a partnership ceases, partners must fulfill their obligations related to winding up the LLP's affairs, settling debts and claims, and distributing the remaining assets. It is important to follow the legal procedures and requirements to ensure a smooth cessation of partnership. That concludes our video on understanding the Limited Liability Partnership Act in India. We have covered the definition, features, characteristics, designated partners, liabilities of partners, incorporation and registration process, as well as the cessation of partnership in an LLP. We hope this information has been valuable in enhancing your knowledge of LLPs and their legal framework. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.